delete a directory in Windows 10. So first of all, we have to start command prompt. For that, tap Windows plus R and write here cmd. Now what you have to do, let us just move to the desktop. Just a second, let me just go to font and make it somewhat big so that you can see it. That's it. So sorry. Now just let us just move to the desktop. To go to desktop, type cd desktop. Okay, here ls command is will not work because this is not Windows. Sorry, because this is not Linux, it is Windows. Okay, to see all the directories in the Windows, type dir in that particular path. These are all the directories and files present. The directories are named with dir. Remaining are files. Okay, so now to create a directory, type mkdir udit. Okay, so let us just see Udit is created. As you can see, Udit is created. Now let us just move inside Udit. Okay, now let us just create. If you want to create multiple folders, okay, then just type ultra space technical space one space. Uh, Let me just give it Sonu Karan. Okay, it will create multiple folders in this file. Let us just go inside it. As you can see, multiple folders are created. Now, okay, let us just create. Let us just move to Udit. Sorry, we are in Udit. Just type dir. These are all the directories available. Okay, now to delete a directory, type rm dir. Sorry, what it will do, it will just remove that directory. As you can see, now let me just tell you, let us just go back to a to go back to one folder, type cd dot. It will go back one path backwards. Now, as you can see, let us just delete this whole directory. Remember that this directory contains further more directories and files. Okay, so let us just delete it. Rmdir. The directory is not empty as it says. Because the directory is not empty, that's why it will not delete this directory. So now to force this command to delete this directory, Udit, what you have to do, you have to just type rmdir, okay, /s. Now type the name. It will ask for permission. Type yes. That's it. Udit has been deleted. Where it is? Basically, it permanently deletes the because it doesn't contain anything. That's why. Now, let me just you know to know what are all the options or available for the particular command, you have to type mkdir or command name /? What it will do, it will just go to the help section. Mkdir path, md path. As you can see, mkdir creates an intermediate directories in the path if needed. For example, assume dot /a does not exist, then mkdir // is the same as mkdir. So now type rmdir /? It will tell you the help section of this command. Rmdir /s to subdirectories. /s means subdirectories. Okay. /q quiet mode. ठीक है. It will not ask for permission. That's it. That means used to remove a directory tree. Okay. So that's all for today. Hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching.